Canned tuna, tasty, convenient, and nutrient-dense, has become a pantry staple for everyday meals. From refreshing salads and grab-and-go sandwiches to savory fried rice and light fresh spring rolls, canned tuna is the perfect choice for whipping up something delicious in minutes. Beyond great taste, tuna is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with protein low in saturated fat and especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, tuna helps protect heart health while supporting brain and vision development. Canned tuna isn't just popular in the United States, it's enjoyed worldwide with more than 7 million tons of tuna caught each year by fleets from over 70 countries. But have you ever wondered how canned tuna is made? Join us as we explore each step of the process, from freshly caught tuna on the open ocean to the high-quality product that ends up on your grocery store shelves. The search for tuna schools across the vast open ocean is more than just a job. It's a thrilling high-stakes adventure. On modern fishing vessels, crews slice through the waves, venturing far across endless waters while tracking the movements of these remarkable fish. Known for their strength and speed, tuna often travel in massive schools, creating an impressive force beneath the surface. In the middle of the open sea, pole-and-line boats and purse seiners follow tuna using sonar and fish-finding equipment, combined with satellite data on sea surface temperature and nutrient-rich waters. These tools can detect tuna at various depths, enabling fishermen to pinpoint the exact location of a school. Once the fish are found, the captain decides whether to use pole-and-line gear or a purse seine depending on the conditions. A tuna fishing trip is never short. Each voyage can last from 30 to 45 days, during which the catch is flash frozen on board to preserve peak freshness, ensuring the tuna retains its premium quality by the time it reaches the processing plant. When the tuna arrives at port, it is immediately transferred into the plant's processing area using conveyor belts and specialized forklifts. Here, each fish undergoes a strict quality inspection. They are sorted by size and weight and carefully checked for freshness to ensure they meet the standards before moving on to the next stage. Once approved, the pre-processing phase begins. Skilled workers precisely remove the head, belly, and internal organs. For larger tuna, the fish are cut into smaller sections to make them easier to handle in later production steps. Using sharp saw blades, experienced workers cut the tuna into uniform blocks. Each cut must be consistent, quick, and precise to maintain the fish's best quality. After portioning, the tuna is neatly arranged and thoroughly rinsed to remove any remaining impurities. This cleaning step is crucial, ensuring that the final product is flawless, free from residue or contaminants, and ready for the next stage of processing. After thorough preparation, the tuna pieces move on to a crucial stage: cooking. To preserve the fish's natural flavor and nutritional value, steaming is the most common method. In this process, massive trays up to 45 feet long and capable of holding as much as 22,000 pounds of tuna are loaded into specialized steam chambers. The tuna is cooked at high temperatures using a combination of steam and direct heat, ensuring even heat distribution throughout each piece so it cooks evenly from the inside out. The steaming process typically lasts between 45 and 120 minutes under high pressure at temperatures ranging from 212 degrees to 230 degrees. This helps remove excess fat while locking in the tuna's natural flavor. At the same time, it softens the skin and bones, making them easier to remove later in the process. Once steaming is complete, the tuna is transferred to special cooling chambers to lower the temperature and remove excess moisture. This cooling stage not only helps maintain the fish's quality, but also ensures the final product remains fresh without becoming overly soft or dry. Once the tuna pieces have cooled, they are moved to the next processing area where the natural aroma of the fish still lingers in the air. This stage demands precision and skill from experienced workers. At the cleaning tables, the process of separating the meat from the skin and bones begins. Each tuna with its complex structure contains hundreds of tiny bones and fine spines. Workers must carefully remove them by hand, ensuring that no impurities remain on the meat. Razor-sharp knives are wielded with absolute precision, each movement swift yet delicate to create flawless cuts of tuna. The skin is also meticulously removed, enhancing both the texture and appearance of the product. Every piece of tuna, once fully separated from skin and bones, undergoes a thorough inspection. Workers check each piece to ensure it is not only clean, but also meets exact standards for size and quality. After the deboning process is complete, the pristine tuna pieces are placed on a conveyor belt ready to continue their journey through the next stages of production. Canned tuna is produced in a variety of can sizes and shapes to meet diverse consumer needs, with round cans remaining the most common and easily found on supermarket shelves. In large-scale production, the process of filling round cans with tuna is fully automated, maximizing efficiency and ensuring the highest level of precision. Once the tuna has been fully prepared, it is moved along a specialized conveyor system to a dedicated filling station for round cans. Here, an automated system evenly and accurately dispenses tuna into each can. This mechanism not only guarantees that every can contains the exact standard amount of tuna, but also ensures consistent product quality, providing consumers with complete satisfaction. To preserve the tuna's freshness and flavor over time, liquid must be added before sealing the cans. Depending on the manufacturer's recipe, this liquid may be vegetable oil such as canola or sunflower oil or brine. These liquids not only extend the product's shelf life, but also enhance the tuna's distinctive taste. Next comes the can sealing stage, carried out with precision and airtight security. Before the lids are attached, the cans pass through an exhaust chamber where hot steam forces out excess oxygen. Then, a double-seam sealing machine secures the lids, creating an airtight seal. At this point, all air inside the can is completely removed, helping the product maintain its freshness, preventing bacterial growth, and ensuring the tuna remains safe throughout its shelf life. To keep the process running smoothly and at peak efficiency, the entire operation is closely monitored by a team of skilled workers. The packaging machinery not only delivers exceptional accuracy, but also operates at remarkable speeds, sealing anywhere from 100 to 800 cans per minute, meeting the demands of large-scale production while maintaining outstanding quality in every single product. Once sealed, the tuna cans are neatly stacked into specialized metal racks, ready for one of the most critical steps in the production process: sterilization. This is a key stage to ensure food safety, extend shelf life, and preserve the product's flavor. The racks of cans are loaded into retort machines, where the temperature reaches $240 to $250 for a carefully calculated period, depending on can size and recipe, to achieve the required thermal safety level. When sterilization is complete, the hot cans are transferred to a water cooling system to bring down the temperature. At the same time, this step removes any dust or steam from the surface, giving the cans a clean, polished appearance. Next, the cans pass through an X-ray machine to detect bones or metal fragments. Only then are they labeled. To guarantee absolute quality, strict quality control procedures are enforced throughout the entire production process. Each day, quality inspectors open representative samples from the previous day's production batch and sort them for testing. These samples are sent to the laboratory to examine texture, nutritional content, and food safety indicators. This inspection process ensures that every can of tuna reaching consumers meets the highest standards of quality and safety. After passing rigorous quality inspections, the standard-approved tuna cans move on to an important step to ensure transparency and traceability. Using advanced laser technology, the batch number, production date, and expiration date are precisely and clearly etched onto each can, allowing consumers to easily track the product's origin. With the product information in place, the cans enter their final decorative stage. Product labels, eye-catching illustrations, and key details are carefully applied to each can, creating an attractive and professional appearance designed to win over consumers at first glance. Once labeling is complete, the cans are meticulously packed into sturdy cardboard cartons, then neatly stacked on pallets. They are now ready for their long journey to consumers, ensuring that each can of tuna reaches the right place into the right hands, delivering a safe and delicious meal. And that's our journey through the entire process of making a delicious, nutritious can of tuna. From the very first steps to the final finishing touches, each stage reflects meticulous care and advanced technology. We hope this video has given you useful insights into the production process, perhaps even some details you didn't know before. If you'd like to continue exploring other fascinating production processes like SPAM, don't forget to click the link in the description or comments to learn more. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it so your friends and family can learn something new too. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.